did not do that. I did not do that. I did not do that one.
And we've got the walkie-talkie building, and the Tower of London, and the Gherkin building. Foundations for the tower were completed for the Tower Bridge were completed in 1890, and they're 8 metres deep beneath the Thames.
It's got an actual human hand.
So this is where the site office was. Regular meetings took place between the architects and the engineers to oversee the progress of the work. Here you can see architect John Wolfe Barry in the top hat. Okay, it looks like a bowler hat to me. In discussion with site managers George Edward Crotwell. Oh, he's in the bowler hat. There's no one with a top hat. And Andrew Stevenson Bigot. None of those men have a top hat.
What?
Is that the one with a triangle, the pyramid at the top? That's Canada House. That used to be the tallest one over there when I worked over there. A lot of those other buildings are new. So over there we can see Canary Wharf. And why is it called Canary Wharf? Did they used to ship canaries in there?
Probably. I don't know.
Or is it based on... I think it's the... I might be wrong, but I think it's named Canary Wharf because the Latin for dog is Canaris. And it's on the Isle of Dogs. But I might be wrong about that. And over there, down there on the right hand side by Butler's Wharf, me and my wife queued up for 14 hours to see the Queen when she was laying in state.
Do you fancy building a sandcastle over there?
No. So this is the glass walkway here on Tower Bridge. And there's a boat going underneath the bridge as we speak. And there's an open top bus tour. You can stand on it, Mummy. Ooh. So interestingly, in the construction of the Tower Bridge, many of the people who worked there could have gone, especially the riveting team, might have worked on the Titanic years later. They were the most exciting of all the workers because they were
riveting.
Up here are some workers who are working on Tower Bridge with no safety harnesses, and they have been frozen in cement since 1889.
Yeah.
So here you get a good view of the Shard and City Hall down there, and the HMS Belfast. So the bridge was completed in 1890, but it didn't open to the public until 1894. You can see over there London Bridge and some of the other bridges that cross the Thames. I am lying on the bridge. Hi, Ollie. Hi, Joshy. Interestingly, in 1952, the number 78 bus jumped across the bridge. You're imagining it jumping quite high across there, right at the very top. I think it probably only went across the bottom, but it managed to jump it whilst both of the arches, both of the lifts were up. Terrifying. Some artifacts for the maintenance of the... So the bridge is blue and white because it was painted those colours in 1977 for the Queen's Jubilee. Or was it painted those colours in 1977 because I was born and it was a massive celebration the world over? You decide. Engine room of Tower Bridge. These are what the coal furnaces would have been like that would have powered the steam engines, steam and hydraulic power that used to lift the bridge before oil and electricity took over in the 70s. Boilers, drive, the pistons, steam pump engines, which then pump water into the hydraulic pumps, which then pushes the water up to the accumulators, which then pushes the water through to the bascule drive engines, which then lifts the bridge. Ollie, would you like to go inside the steam engine? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Look at... what do we have in here, young Oliver? Is it your Christmas present?
No.
It's used 20 tonnes of coal a week. Oh, look. Here's one of the, the bascule engines.
Not big enough, does it? To
No,
lift?
it doesn't. Or is this what? Is this the actual bascule? Yeah, it is, isn't it? This is number 2, isn't it? Oh, no, this is this bit, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, this is only number 2, that's why. So this is the steam pump engines, that's what that is. That creates the hydraulic power.
For this bit.
Yeah. And then the hydraulic pumps fill the accumulators, and those accumulators push the water down super fast through, which then drives the bascule engines. .360 horsepower these create. Piston and crank. So these are the accumulators that drive the bascule engines, and they weigh 100 tonnes each, and they are massive, and they would be filled with water. It's more of the Victorian engineering.
Yeah.
Who would have known about this?
You.
Isn't Bud Kingdom Brunel, or was he dead by then?
I think you would have known the most about it considering you were
So that's where we were a minute ago. Well, 20 minutes ago. And we laid on the glass, and looked down at the echo tiny people below.
If anyone saw me waving.
When you're up there, it looks like you're over the water, but underneath it looks like you're over the pavement, doesn't it? You have been watching Munchy Road Hippopotamus. Thank you for joining us in our adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy our channel, and tell us about any adventures that you have in the comments below. Get out there and explore your world.